This 2019 Dodge Durango is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Durango Citadel Odd Customer Preferred Package 2BJ20 and Quad Platinum Chrome Wheels Navigation System Rear View Camera Panoramic Sunroof Heated Front Seat Heated Rear Seat Heated Steering Wheel Front Parking Sensors Rear Parking Sensors 3.6 LV6 Engine 8-speed Automatic Transmission Wheel Drive System Keyless and Tri-Keyless Start Fog Lamps Power Trunk Opener Cruise Control Adjustable Steering Wheel Power Automatic Windows Power Door Locks Wood Trim Interior Granite Metallic Exterior Black Leather Interior BMW Floor Mats Owner's Manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2019 Dodge Durango Citadel AWD is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and ample pricing, visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.